If you're new here, hi, welcome! Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to see you. How you doing today? Good? You good? My name's Georgina Castins. We are in the beauty library. Where we are going to talk about all things beauty, like foundation reviews. Is it blended? Is it blended in now? Lipstick. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Skincare. Diets. Yes. No. Mascara. Beautiful. How about now? Is it blended in now? Trends. Oh, that looks so pretty. Do it yourselves. So I hope you subscribe. Please subscribe. So together we can discover amazing and not so amazing finds in all things beauty. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you soon.